everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to exfoliate your skin, how to get rid of blackheads, whitehead, large pores, and also how to get clean, clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing facial exfoliator that you can use on the skin, your face, your neck, and décolleté to lighten and brighten, and also guys to tighten and firm the skin. This is a simple recipe that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Before I get in the kitchen, however, if you're interested in other exfoliator, you can visit my website ALESMAXii.com, where I have a variety of facial polishes. We have from aloe vera to coconut, blueberry, carrot, turmeric. We also have a vitamin C. So visit our website and check out our facial polishes. Now please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be using rice, and we're using white rice. Rice is rich in protein. It is rich in antioxidants that help to tighten and firm the skin, help to get rid of hyperpigmentation, help to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. And if you're out there with oily skin, rice is going to help to get rid of the excess oil from the skin. What I'm going to be doing with the rice today, I am going to mix it with some other ingredient to create an amazing facial exfoliator. Using an exfoliator on the skin at least twice a week can help your skin to look more healthy and give a natural glow. An exfoliator is going to get rid of the blackheads and the whitehead and the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. My next ingredient is going to be flax seeds, and these are also rich in antioxidant that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. If you're out there with forehead wrinkles, upper lip wrinkles, a sagging jawline, and even neckline, this is an ingredient that is great to use in your DIY because it's going to combat these skin issues. What I'm going to do with the flax seeds, I'm going to be mixing it with the rice. Both combined together is going to create a very powerful facial scrub that's going to get rid of all the blackheads, the grease, the dirt, and the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. So now let's reach for a blender, and today I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the rice. If you have other rice like black rice or purple rice, go ahead and use it for this recipe. If you do not have any rice, go ahead and use some brown sugar with the flaxseed. So now I am going to be blending, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed. So let's go ahead and blend to a more finer granule. Now once this is done, take a look. Here I have my blended rice and flax seeds, and what I'm going to do with this mixture, I am going to use it to make the facial scrub. Now you can choose to store this in your refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Whenever you're ready to make your DIY, you just take it out. This can use for a facial mask, and it also can be used for a facial scrub. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some rose water, and rose water helps to balance the natural pH level of the skin. It helps to refreshes the skin, and it also helps to hydrate the skin. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the rose water, and we're adding this to our bowl. Next, I'm going to be using some oils. We're making an amazing anti-aging facial scrub. My first oil is going to be some pomegranate seed oil. For this recipe, go ahead and use your favorite oil. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil is a very light oil. It will not clog the pores. It is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, help to nourish and hydrate the skin, and it's good for all skin type, whether you have combination oily, sensitive, or dry skin. Now my next oil is going to be aloe vera oil, and I'm using about a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is also a light oil that will not clog the pores. It's good for all skin type. It's good for eczema. It's good for acne prone skin. It's an amazing oil to have in your oil collection. So now I'm going to mix the ingredient together. I'm mixing rice, flaxseed, rose water, pomegranate oil, and aloe vera oil. And I'm mixing well. Now, do not add more liquid to this, because what is going to happen, the rice and the flaxseed is going to absorb all the water from this. So go ahead and stir and stir. When you're done, we're going to set this aside, and you can leave it for about an hour or so, and then you go back and use it. Another thing that is good for this recipe is that instead of using rose water, you can also choose to use warm milk. So you're just going to add some milk to this instead of the rose water. You can also add some green tea to this instead of the rose water. So just go ahead and make it your own. And here is another ingredient that's really going to change the game with this. You can also choose to add some carrot juice. So once this is done and you set it aside for about an hour, it is now ready to use on the face. So you are going to take a small amount in your hands, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your face. Focus on the areas where it's problematic for you, whether it is your forehead wrinkles, whether it is your jawline, your upper lips, and also don't forget to take it on your nose, especially those of you who have a lot of whitehead on your nose. So exfoliate. You're going to exfoliate for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, and then take it down, and the neck and décolleté you're going to rinse, preferably with cold water, pat dry the skin, and reveal beautiful, amazing looking skin. Use this 2 to 3 times per week, and you're on your way for healthy, glowing skin. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.